Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting the new topic, the surface area of sphere and hemisphere. So first look at these formulae. CSA or simply surface area or total surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi into r square. The next thing is CSA or surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. And the third formula is total surface area of hemisphere, that is 3 pi r square. Okay. Now this is exercise 13.4, question number 1 and question number 2. Both are of the same type. So just question number 1 and 2. These are टुगेदर. दोनों क्वेश्चन एक साथ हैं, दोनों एक ही टाइप के हैं. पहले क्वेश्चन में है कि फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए स्फीयर ऑफ रेडियस इज गिवन देयर. एंड इन द सेकंड क्वेश्चन फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए स्फीयर ऑफ डायमीटर. ओके, तो यू आर गिवन इन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू आर गिवन the radius and in the second question you are given diameter. So I am attempting only question number 2 and suppose this is third part. You are given diameter of sphere. This diameter is given 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter. Therefore, radius of the sphere will be 3.5 upon 2 meter. This is R. Question is this: find the surface area of sphere. Now, surface area of sphere is given by 4 pi into R square. 4 pi is not mentioned in this question. It will become 22 upon 7 and R you have 3.5 upon 2 whole square. Now just solve it. You will get 4 into this 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. This is 2 and this is also 2. Now just look here. 2 to the 4. This 4 will be cancelled. This will become 22 into 7 into 5 is 35. 0.5 into 3.5 is here. Now just look here. This 22 into 0.5. This will become 11 into 3.5. 5. Just multiply them. 11 5 is 35, 11 3 is 33 and 5, 38.5 meter square. So what is the surface area of the sphere? 38.5 meter square. Now this is question number 3rd. कि find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. Given है radius of hemisphere R. This is given 10 centimeter. Now the total surface area of hemisphere, this will be given by 3 pi r square. Just put all the values. 3 is there, and in this question pi is given 3.14. 3.14 and radius is 10 square. So now just look here. This 3 into 3.14. 3 is 9, 9.42. 9.42 and this 10 square is 100. When you will multiply them, you will get 942 centimeter square. The total surface area of the hemisphere will be 942 centimeter square. Now this is question number 4. Question number 4. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. कोई जो है आपका स्फेरिकल बैलून है, उसका जो है इनिशियल रेडियस ये स्फेरिकल बैलून है, its initial radius r is given how much? 7 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. अब जब इसमें हवा भरी जाती है तो इट्स रेडियस बिकम्स रेडियस आफ्टर air being pump, that is R, capital R, 14 सेंटीमीटर. शुरू में उसकी रेडियस कितनी है? 7 सेंटीमीटर. और आफ्टर एयर बीइंग पम्प्ड द रेडियस बिकम 14 centimeter. Question is this: find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in two cases. इन दोनों में जो है इसका सरफेस एरिया का रेशो निकालो. तो नाउ सपोज दिस इज द सरफेस एरिया 1 startingly, and after the air being pumped, then the surface area is S2. Now initial surface area S1 will be given by 4 pi r square, and surface area after air being pumped that is S2, and this will be given by 4 pi into capital R square. Now the required ratio. Required ratio will be S1 upon S2. This will be given by 4 pi R square upon 4 pi into capital R square. This 4 pi will be cancelled out. You will get small r square upon capital R square. That is 7 square is here and 14 square is here. 7 7 ja 49 and 14 square is 196. When you will divide, say 49 1 ja 1 and this is 4. Therefore the required ratio S1 ratio S2, this will become 1:4. So what is the required ratio? That is 1:4. 1:4. Now first question number 5. Just look at question number 5. A hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. You are given the diameter of hemispherical bowl. Therefore, radius of hemispherical bowl, that will be half of the diameter, and the diameter was given 10.5 centimeter. So this will become 10.5 upon 2 centimeter. Question is this: find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of 16 per meter square. Now what will happen? The area where we have to done tin plating. Now area of hemispherical bowl where we have to tin plating, that will be inner CSA of hemisphere, and that will be given by 2 pi into inner radius whole square, that is 2 pi r square. Now just put all the values. You will get 2 pi is mentioned in this question. No value of pi is given there. So this will be 22 upon 7 into the radius square. Radius is 10.5 upon 2 whole square. Now just solve it. You will get 2 into 22 upon 7 into 10.5 into 10.5 upon 2 centimeter square. 10.5 into 10.5 centimeter square. Now the total cost of painting, that will be given by, since 100 centimeter square का cost given है ₹16. Since 100 cost of 100 centimeter square is given rupees 16. Therefore, rate of 1 centimeter square will be 100 से 1 कैसे आएगा? When you will divide 100 upon 100 is 1. तो same you will do in the right hand side, 16 upon 100. Therefore, total cost that will be rupees 16 upon 100, and this was the area where you have to tin plating. 2 into 22 upon 7, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 10.5 upon 2 multiplied with 10.5 upon 2, and then you will get the answer in rupees. So just check here. This 2 is cancelled. 7 into 1.5 and 16 to the 32. When you will solve this, you will get rupees 27.12. Rupees 27.12. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.